So imagine that you are currently working on a feature where you have some changes, but you are not yet ready to commit them. And at the same time, you got another work to do in the same branch or maybe in a separate branch where you want to work immediately. So in that case, you can park your current changes into another area called stash and do your other work, finish it and come back and restore your current work and continue. So stashing is the feature which we can use of Git, and for this case I have one change which is a work in progress in feature 1 branch, and the only option that I could find for stashing is by right clicking on the root of the Git repository and selecting Git. Here we can see stash and unstash. So let us select stash, and here we have to give a name for our stash. Let us call it temporary changes 1, and we can simply create stash. So we can see our current changes have disappeared. All our changes will be disappeared. Now we can go to any other branch, do our other work, commit and push, and come back to our feature branch and restore our work that was in progress. So let us again go to the same menu and select unstash changes. So here we will be able to see all the stashed changes as a stack. So 0 is the first element of the stack. If we have one more, we will have stash of 1 and so on. And always we can restash, or we can always unstash or restore the changes which are at the top of the stack. Now we can also view what changes we had parked by clicking on view, and we'll see the files. We can select the file, double click, and we'll see these are the changes which we had stashed. So we will select pop if you want to pop the changes from this stash stack, and we can click on pop stash. So unstash operation has been successfully applied, and we can see our changes are restored, and now we can continue our work. So that's how stashing and unstashing can be done via IntelliJ.